I'll show you how you can add an extra package on Delta Airlines. Now, there's no specific way or direct way you can do this. You just have to bring your package and then they'll just check it on when you want to check into your flight. Although it's gonna be pretty ridiculous if you have more than 10 packs, right? Because the way that Delta Airline limits it is that you need up to 10 packs may be checked per passenger on flights operated by Delta or Delta Shuttle. So you need 10 packs, right? So if you want extra package, which is going to be 11, 12, 13, 14, then of course you're going to have to pay extra fees because 10 package is a lot, right? And here, let me show you. Now, it's important to know that packs do not meet 10 our size and weight restriction will require special handling and additional fees, right? So if you bring 11, 12, for example, if an extra piece of package exceeds the weight and size limit, it will be subject to three fees: one for the extra pack, one for exceeding the weight limit, and one for going over the size restriction, right? So fees are charged for each additional pack each way. So you can see this is what the type of pack that you will have to do. This is the fees, right? So for example, if it is a third check pack, it'll be 150 USD dollar. If it's packs 4 to 10, it'll be $200 each. This is some other one like prohibited or restricted item, oversized, overweight. Now it'll be like this. You will have to pay extra fees for it, but of course, there's no other special methods that you can add or do. You just have to bring the packs and then pay the fees. That's it. This is the official Delta airline website here. So of course, this is the most updated info. So of course, just bring your packs. There's nothing that you can do about it, and you will have to cough up some money to go along with it as well. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.